Hello, welcome to my M1 finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. As you guys know, the market was only open for 4 days this week because it was closed on Friday for Good Friday. But good news this week though, we were green. It seems like the stock market was going up this week, which is weird because people are still losing their jobs and the illness is still around and it hasn't reached its peak yet, but maybe because the government has been printing some money, that's why the stock market has been going on. But I feel like even though if it's going up right now, I think that it's still gonna go down this next few weeks until everything goes back to normal. But either way, it's a good week since it's been up. So I'm here to update you on my weekly return. As you guys know, my Moneymaker is a dividend stock portfolio. It's divided into 3 slices, 80% stocks, 10% real estate, and 10% bonds. Alright, let's see how my M1 finance portfolio performed this week. Let's start with my stocks. We'll go to my industrial stocks first, which is 15% of my stocks pie. Waste management, I'm up $6.32, which is up 8.52%. Lockheed Martin, I gained $2.93, which is up 4.30%. 3M, I'm up $5.01, which is 6.51%. The only loss is Raytheon Technology Corporation. I don't know what's going on, why it lost this much, but I added Raytheon RTX because I used to have United Technologies, but Raytheon and United Technologies merged. So I added this RTX. So for this week's, it's down $44.28, which is a whopping loss of 49.18%. Caterpillar, again, $5.21, which is 6.79% return. General Dynamics, again, $2.95, which is 6.11%. Boeing, again, $5.45, which is 11.70% return. Delta, again, $1.67, which is 5.91% return. So my industrial this week, it seems like it lost because of my big loss from RTX. I lost $14.74. I have earned dividends of 41 cents. My return is down 3.16%. Now let's go to my consumer defensive. It also consists 15% of my stocks pie. For this week, Costco, I gained $3.11, which is up 2.93%. Coca-Cola, I gained $9.64, which is 11.50%. PepsiCo, I gained $6.69, which is up 7.88%. Procter & Gamble, I gained 19 cents, which is up 0.23%. Walmart, I gained $1.78, which is 2.67%. For my consumer defensive, I gained $21.41. I didn't get any dividends. My return is 5.03%. Now let's go to my technology. It also consists 15% of my stocks slice. For Apple, I gained $7.53, which is 9.50%. Microsoft, I gained $3.85, which is 6.32%. Nvidia, I gained $1.68, which is 2.78%. IBM, I gained $4.74, which is up 10.2%. Skyworks, I gained $2.95, which is up 7.63%. Qualcomm, I gained $2.16, which is 5.30% return. Cisco, I gained $1.62, which is 3.38%. Intel, I gained $1.98, which is 4.96%. For this week, my technology gained $26.51. No earned dividends. My return is 6.37%. Now let's go to my finance. It contains 10% of my stocks pie. For this week, JP Morgan, I gained $10.21, which is up 18.73%. American Express, I gained $12.15, which is up 23.82%. Visa, I gained $5.62, which is up 10.37%. Bank of America, I gained $8.42, which is 20.91% return. Royal Bank, I gained $2.92, which is 6.98%. Wells Fargo, I gained $5.92, which is 22.15% return. So finance did a really good job this week. I gained $45.24. I earned 56 cents dividends. My return is a whopping 16.84%. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 10% of my stocks. McDonald's, I gained $9.38, which is up 13.74%. Disney, I'm up $5.55, which is 7.76%. Home Depot, I gained $5.94, which is 11.15%. General Motors, I gained $11.79, which is a whopping gain of 32.33%. Starbucks, I gained $5.72, which is 13.66%. For this week, my consumer cyclical gained $38.38. No earned dividends, my return is 14.14%. Let's go to my healthcare, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $6.23, which is 6.04%. AbbVie, I gained $4.51, which is 6.15%. United Health Group Incorporation, I gained $6.18, which is 14.77%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, I gained $5.22, which is 8.15% return. My healthcare for this week, I gained $22.14. No earned dividends, my return is 7.83%. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. As you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. I know this is a dividend investing portfolio, but I also added this no dividend stocks, which is 10% of my stocks slice. I just want to own some of these growth stocks. So let's go to my energy, which is 5% of my stocks slice. This week, ExxonMobil gained $5.31, which is 6.77% return. Chevron, I gained $4.24, which is 10.75% return. Magellan, I gained $4.19, which is 10.95% return. For my energy, I gained $13.74. No earned dividends. My return is 8.80%. Now let's go to my utilities, which is also 5% of my stocks slice. Duke Energy, I gained $4.90, which is 13.99% return. WEC Energy, I gained $4.10, which is 11.79% return. Vanguard Utilities ETF, I gained $4.57, which is 13.35% return. Nextra Energy, I gained $2.87, which is 8.32% return. For my utilities this week, I gained $16.44. No earned dividends. My return is 11.87%. Now let's go to my communication, which is also 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I gained $2.20, which is 5.09%. AT&T, I gained $3.54, which is 8.67%. NetEase Incorporated, I lost 35 cents, which is 1.15%. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna keep this because I might update my portfolio again and maybe take out some of the stocks because I want to concentrate more on few of the stocks that I have. Activision Blizzard Incorporated, I lost 12 cents, which is now 0.41%. So for this week, my communication, I gained $5.27. Earned dividends is $1.23. My return is 3.66%. This is amazing, earning $1.23 for dividends. Now that we're done with the dividend-paying stocks from my stocks slice, let's go to my no dividend. Amazon, I gained $2.45, which is 6.44%. Tesla, I gained $5.97, which is a whopping return of 26.07%. Facebook, I gained $2.75, which is 10.74%. Berkshire Hathaway, I gained $2, which is 7.86%. Alphabet, I gained $2.05, which is 8.10% return. Another Alphabet, Google with an L, I gained $2.02, which is 8.02%. Illumina Incorporation, I gained $1.37, which is 5.34%. Netflix, I gained 5 cents, which is 0.19% return. T-Mobile, I gained 46 cents, which is 1.76%. Alibaba, I gained $1, which is 3.94%. Virgin Galactic Holdings, I gained $1.99, which is 17.66% return. Since I'm planning to concentrate on few stocks, I might remove some of the stocks from this list. Alright, so for this week, my no dividend stocks gained $22.11, which is a return of 7.97%. So as you guys can see, all my stocks from my stock slice win except the industrial, which lost $14.74, which is 3.16% return. This is just because of the Raytheon. If the market keeps going up this week, my industrial should be able to catch up with the rest of this. So for this week, my stocks slice gained $196.50. My earned dividends is $2.20. My return is 6.91%. Now that we're done with the stocks, let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. Realty income, I gained $15.79, which is 24.66%. Vanguard, I gained $13.77, which is 20.54%. Welltower, I gained $22.06, which is 46.60%. iStar, I gained $13.08, which is 27.46% return. Stag, I gained $12.53, which is 23.74%. Public storage, I gained $4.29, which is 8.17% return. So all my stocks from my real estate won this week. For this week, my real estate gained $81.52, a whopping gain of 24.60% return. My real estate stocks performed really well this week. Now let's go to my bonds, which consists of the last 10% of my pie. So for my bond, my Vanguard total bond market, I gained $6.36, which is 1.76%. As you guys can see, I won this week. My biggest gainer is, of course, when it comes to return, real estate, which is 24.60% return. When it comes to dollar, my stocks won just because I have a lot of stocks and it consists most of my pie, which is 80% versus the 10% compared to real estate. I gained $196.50, but it's only 6.91%, which is a lot less compared to my 24.60% on my real estate. So for this week, my moneymaker gained $284.38, earned dividends $2.20, and my return is up 8.04%. So I might edit this portfolio for this upcoming week. I might actually sell some of the stocks so I can concentrate my money on the stocks that are performing well. So you may be able to see less stocks next week when I do my update. So other than that, all I can say is keep investing, guys. Take advantage of the cheap stocks right now. Of course, buy more when it's going down. And it's up to you if you want to sell, but I suggest to just buy and hold. And I forgot to tell you at the beginning, I deposited $100 for this week. So I'll see you guys again next week. And of course, keep investing and make that money. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.